The diagram shows the market for a good. The equilibrium is at point X. So these are our equilibrium points. Equilibrium points. If the equilibrium point is at point X, they said the government fixes the minimum price for the good at P2. If this is the minimum price at price 2, this is the minimum price. Minimum price. Now, what will happen in the market as a result? If the minimum price is at this, what will happen? They said the market equilibrium will remain the same. The quantity demanded will rise to Q2. The quantity supply will fall to Q3. There will be an excess supply. If the minimum price falls to P2, this is the price. This is the equilibrium price. This is the market price. The price at which both consumers and suppliers agree to pay. That's what we call the equilibrium price. So whenever government sets price below the equilibrium price, that is what the question is saying. So this is the equilibrium price. This price is below the equilibrium price. So any price below the equilibrium price will cause excess demand. What do I call it?
Excess demand.
Excess demand. So excess demand will mean what? The quantity demanded will increase from Q1 to Q2. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So where do we have that there? The quantity demanded will rise to what? Q2. This is why it is B. Do you understand why it is B now?
Yes.
So please take note of these things. The question is about understanding the content. Not just guessing or checking the answers at the back. Forget about checking the answers at the back. That's not where we're going. Your understanding. Look at the question again. It said, the diagram shows, this is a diagram that shows the market for a good. And whenever we talk about equilibrium is an assumption that both consumers and suppliers buy or agree on that amount. So at that point in time, there is no goods left. There are no goods left. All the consumers that are available in that market have bought all the goods. That is what market equilibrium means. It means both producers and consumers have accepted to pay that amount. So if 100 goods were produced, it means they were also what? Sold in that market. Do you understand what I'm saying? A market equilibrium is where there is agreement between the quantity demanded and quantity supplied. In that market, it is assumed, the assumption is that all the goods that were produced were sold. Do we understand? There is no any goods left. That is what market equilibrium means. So, if this is our equilibrium price, that means our equilibrium, this is equilibrium point, this is equilibrium price. Equilibrium price. What is equilibrium price? The price of agreement between quantity demanded and quantity supplied. Equilibrium price. The price of agreement between quantity demanded and quantity supplied. What is equilibrium point? The point of agreement between quantity supplied and quantity demanded. Then we have equilibrium quantity, which is Q1. This is equilibrium quantity. Equilibrium quantity, which is the quantity of agreement between the quantity demanded and quantity supplied. So we have three things in equilibrium, in market equilibrium. Equilibrium price, equilibrium points, equilibrium quantity. So, if government sets the price of goods and services below the equilibrium point, it becomes excess demand. Demand will rise, supply will fall. But if the prices are above, anything here is above the equilibrium price, right? Above. We call it excess supply. That's the difference now. Price below the equilibrium price will lead to excess demand. And price above the equilibrium price will lead to what we call excess. This is excess. Excess supply. This is excess. This is excess. Excess demand, excess supply. Below equilibrium price, excess demand. Above equilibrium price, excess supply. Remember the law of demand. The lower the price, the higher the quantities demanded.
Yeah.
The higher the price in supply, the higher the price, the higher the quantity supplied. So if the price is above the equilibrium price, firms will be willing to supply more. Do you understand? If the price is below the equilibrium price, consumers will be willing to buy more. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that is why the answer is what? B. So continue in the next class. Huh?